Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how to download the WhatsApp application right on your iOS device. This step will work for Android devices as well, so make sure you follow along. First of all, make sure that the device is connected to a stable internet and then open your Google Play Store or your App Store. Now, once you do that, go to the search icon and type in WhatsApp. Look for the WhatsApp Messenger application from WhatsApp Inc. and then tap on the Get or the Install button to start downloading the app on your device. Once the app is installed, tap on Open. Now go ahead and tap on Agree and Continue, follow through the on-screen instructions and create a new account for WhatsApp, or you can go ahead and log into your existing account. Now you're ready to start chatting, calling, and sharing with friends and family using WhatsApp on your iPhone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.